and I would like to ask our Honorable Mayor to request Honorable Mayor to give them the crest. Some of them already left us last year, is not with us anymore, but their family is here. So, and I start with Mr. Afsar Moin. Late Afsar Moin was a very important car collector, and he has helped many people like us. When we had problems with cars, we used to call him and get advice. And unfortunately, he died of corona last year. Rest in peace. And his son Asad Moin is here. And so, Asad, will you please come to the podium and take the crest from our Honorable Mayor?
আসিফ মঈন আমার পরিচিত, আমি কাজ করছি একসময়। এই যে কথা বলতে উঠবো এখন, আসিফ মঈন।
আসাদ মঈন,
আসিফ মঈনের ছেলে মনে হয়, আসাদ মঈন, আসিফ মঈনের ছেলে মনে হয়।
Thank you. And he's taking the crest on behalf of his father, and this is his son. Thank you, sir. And now I would like to request podium Mr. Nader Khan. Mr. Nader Khan's car is also being exhibited here. It's a Austin 12 that is one of the oldest car here. And Mr. Nader Khan also participated in first car rally and the second car rally. And this particular Austin 12 also got award. So, Mr. Nader Khan, uncle. Okay, that's it. And Mr. Nader Khan uncle's car actually he gifted to me, and that's a black 1940, and it was used by all the prominent people of Bangladesh, including Maulana Bhashani, Sherebangla, Fazlul Haq, and it is owned by his father, Mr. Adalat Khan. He's a famous person from Chittagong, and then Mr. Nader Khan inherited the car, and finally I own the car as a gift from him. Thank you, Mr. Uncle. And the car, vintage, the history and everything, anybody talks about it, they know or not know, they will tell a name. It's like I become an encyclopedia of it. And this name is very much associated with all the classic and vintage car history of Bangladesh. He was the founder of Old Car Club of Bangladesh in 1984, and he organized the first car rally in 1985. Mr. Habibur Rahman Sani. Mr. Sani's two car is also, he bought us for the exhibit. One is the oldest car of Bangladesh, I think 1923, owned by the Rani of Queen of Nator from 1923, and then the Sunbeam-Talbot, which is from 1937. And both the cars has participated in 1985 car rally and 1988 car rally, and we are very glad that Mr. Sani is here with his two cars. Thank you so much. Any culture, any heritage that is not only being promoted by or being cultivated by the collectors. There are some people who also become instrumental to these collection behavior. One of them is the archivist, and one of them is the record keeper or who takes the photograph. So we're going to recognize Uchchash Marjan Hussain. He's a young boy from Chittagong, and he actually, I call him the encyclopedia of cars. Anytime, in last 10 years, I send him a photo of a car. In 20 minutes, he sends me the history of the car all the time. It's not only for me, for him. And he flew from Chittagong only for this occasion. He came in yesterday night and leaving tomorrow. Thank you. And always we see paparazzi. Paparazzi, what do you call it? It's just a spy photos. In Dhaka city, there are a lot of cars owners said, well, I didn't know my photo is in the social media. So I don't think that sometimes good, sometimes bad.